I don't know if you saw the video we put out it's 4 weeks ago today since I had surgery on my hands, and my hands are now back fully functioning. I'm back in action, back in the saddle, still making, back into full working mode. But what I wanted to show you was how different my hand is now. I have these beautiful hands working, no sign of any operation in this hand. The hand is fully functional. This one has arthritis in the knuckle, but this one is fully functional. So now when I'm gripping anything, I grip the same way, my overhand grip for putting stuff in the vise, picking my cup up, whatever I'm doing. No more tucking this finger out of the way and back in. And I'm really happy with the way this thing affected me. What I didn't realize was it was affecting me slightly mentally too. And I realized afterwards, about a week after I came out of the surgery, I just felt almost euphoric that I'd got my hands back. Because, you know, you got to remember, I've been woodworking for 60 years, every day, 6 days a week for 60 years. I've never missed a day woodworking, and my hands have done everything because I'm a hand tool woodworker. So you can see how much this would impact me. I didn't realize it was impacting me, but now I still feel about as euphoric as I did about a week after my surgery, and I realized it worked, and it makes me feel really complete. I feel really good. So just to let you know where I am today, back in the saddle, new year starting, I'm going to be putting my hands on the planes, on the saws and everything, just as I did a long time ago and through all those years.